Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Okay, so we're comparing the Philips 5400 LatteGo espresso machine and the Jura Z10. Big price difference right off the bat, huh? The Philips is around $799, while the Jura Z10 is a whopping $3,780.
Yeah, that's a huge jump. So what do you get for that extra cash? Is it really worth it?
Well, the Jura boasts a product-recognizing grinder, which automatically adjusts the grind based on the coffee you select. It can even make cold brew, which the Philips can't. It also has more coffee options, like 32, compared to the Philips 12.
Okay, that's fancy. But the Philips has that LatteGo system for milk frothing, right? Is that any good?
It's pretty slick. It mixes milk and air super fast, creating a smooth froth, and it's easy to clean. Only 2 parts and no tubes. The Jura probably has a good frother too, but the LatteGo's convenience is a big plus, especially for daily use.
What about the grinder itself? The Philips mentions ceramic grinders that last for 20,000 cups.
Good point. Both have durable grinders. The Philips uses ceramic, which is known for its longevity. The Jura doesn't explicitly state the material on Amazon, but it's likely high quality too, given the price. The Philips also has 12-step grinder adjustment for fine-tuning.
What about dimensions? Counter space is always a concern.
The Philips is smaller, about 15 DX 10 inches WX 17H. The Jura is a bit bigger at 17.75 DX 12.62 WX 15 inches H. Also, the Jura is significantly heavier at 36.6 pounds versus the Philips 18.58 pounds. That's a pretty big difference in weight.
So, basically, the Jura is a high-end machine with more features and customization, including cold brew. The Philips is more affordable and easier to use and clean, especially with that LatteGo system.
Exactly. If you're a serious coffee aficionado and willing to invest, the Jura Z10 offers more versatility. But for someone who wants a convenient and great-tasting espresso at a more reasonable price, the Philips 5400 LatteGo is a solid choice. Plus, it's renewed, which might mean a bit of a discount.
Right. Might be a good budget option, thanks.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.